This Purple House, episode 4. Here we go. We've got Camille's room pretty much done. Painted, need new windows. Yes, furniture is in. We just need to make it more livable. Ripped out this wall to find out what was behind our tub. We can make that fix. We also found the chute to the basement. It was hidden behind here, underneath. So there's your laundry chute, kind of crazy. Remove some light switches, put that on the outside so we won't have that in the shower. New light fixtures, I'm sure Lesley will be very excited to see those. All new light switches, we've got white on everything, white on white. Lesley painted this room. Ceiling, floors, all the above. Walls, sorry, not floors. Floors have been cleaned, ready to move into bed. We'll be doing that today or tomorrow. I've been working on the stairs. Lesley has a makeshift little office to go. We still have to work on some more exterior stuff. The yard is looking a lot better. Roof is gonna be in the next couple weeks. So you can see what's going on there. I am ripping apart stairs like I mentioned. Here's what they look like right now. Bottom 3 have been sanded. Top, we're still working on removing some of the carpet pads, but you can see how much we have to peel off and make them look better than what they were. But I think if we stain this, that will look really good. Living room, not a whole lot. We brought in a few plants just so we could make it look like somebody lives here. The backyard's looking good. That will be our dining room for a little while. So, kitchen, not a whole lot has changed, except we're gonna get ready to see some, I'm gonna rip apart this sink, countertop, stove is unhooked, and we're gonna make this all happen. So stay tuned. And stay classy. Later.